India's freedom movement against the Portuguese, Dutch, Mughals and British Raj was witness to an overwhelming participation of people throughout the country. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, Assam to Gujarat, thousands of men and women fought together against the atrocities of the colonial rule, while many selflessly offered their lives to protect the dignity of their motherland. Others got injured and embarrassed imprisonment. In this series of unsung heroes of freedom movement, let us know about few brave freedom fighters from various parts of India who sacrificed their lives to achieve freedom for their beloved motherland. The Indian independence struggle has generally been considered as male dominated. However, a lady Kalpana Datta stood out against the British Raj. She is an unsung revolutionary freedom fighter who played an active role in the nationalistic activities in Bengal, Punjab and Maharashtra. Besides being directly involved, she provided an extensive motivational support system by helping freedom fighters refuge to hide and carry messages and weapons for the men fighting the war. Unfortunately for us, we will never know her name or see her in the list of those who fought for our freedom. Kalpana Datta was often considered beyond everyone's reach. Every time the British police tried to catch her, they failed miserably. Even when she was caught, they were forced to release her because of lack of evidence. During the independence movement, the British police of Chittagong tried hard to catch Kalpana Datta, but she was smart enough to escape. She did not care much and was persistent in carrying out anti-British activities. One thing to note about Kalpana Datta was that she was a science student who did not fit into the usual revolutionary archetype in her initial days of the freedom struggle. The two important aspects of her life were revolution and science. Khudiram Bose's martyrdom inspired her. The seeds of patriotism were sown within her while studying in Bethune College of Kolkata, and while engaging in anti-British activities, the sense of patriotism got a further push. Her smartness can be seen when she paid regular visits to the Republican Army members Anand Singh, Loknath Bal, Ganesh Ghosh, who were arrested by the British officers for carrying revolutionary activities. To deviate from the British police, she would dress up in different outfits, sometimes as someone's sisters or sometimes as a man, and exchange secret information with the revolutionaries. In September 1931, when Loknath Bal and Anand Singh were called to the Chittagong court, a Muslim woman wearing a burqa were seen in the crowd. The actions of the woman caught the eye of the British police, but they could not catch Kalpana as she immediately changed into an old woman with a stick and escaped. But before escaping, she planted a dangerous explosive that worked like dynamite to free the revolutionaries. She also taught many revolutionaries how to make explosive and fight against British Raj. The hanging of Suraj Sen and Tarkeshwar Dastidar came as a blow to her. She was sentenced to life imprisonment for using explosives. The news of Suraj Sen's assassination reached her while she was in jail. Kalpana Datta also wanted to see India devoid of poverty and exploitation. After her release in the independent India, she worked hard for the marginalized section of the society till the last day of her life. Be it a war, riot or a natural calamity, Kalpana Datta was always there to stand by people until the revolutionary woman breathed her last on Feb 8, 1995.